to my home. Mais entrez dans mon 13 mètres carrés. This is definitely not how Parisians act.
A couple of months ago, I made a video of a date with myself in Paris, you know, but I realized that I didn't actually show you what it's like living in Paris. So here I am, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna do an apartment tour of my flat in Paris. So here it is, my apartment. That's it. But the great thing is, I could just be lying in my bed and, wait, I'm hungry. Well, bam, I'm in the kitchen. You know, when we think of living in Paris, we think of this, or this, or this, or this. Well, that's only if you're rich and, you know, I'm unemployed! Thank you to my friend Francois for letting me rent out this place. You know, these past few months in this apartment have been actually great. Firstly, this apartment allowed me to get fit, but I mean summer body ready. Oh damn, I forgot my purse. Oh my god, I did it.
I am fit!
6 flights of stairs with no elevator. I also got to be a plumber for the first time in my life, you know. Oh my god. And I have tried everything. I've tried acid. I've tried plumbing away. Nothing works. Another great thing about this apartment is that I could take walks in the middle of the night. Why, you ask? Oh, because I don't have a toilet. My toilet is there. And because I have a really bad bladder, that meant every night in my PJs, I had to go ninja style in front of my neighbors to get to the toilet. But at least I've got a shower, a clogged shower, but still. But the biggest asset of this apartment is the view on the Eiffel Tower. I mean, sure, it's hidden by a large pipe and you can only see the top of it, but it's still good. Also, I have a sort of dungeon. So just above my sink is my dungeon, and I can totally just open it and get up there and just be on the roof.
Non mais t'en as pas marre de te plaindre?
Oh no, I'm not complaining. I think this is what makes Paris so charming.